Are you ready to take full control of your schedule? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to view your Outlook calendar like a pro. Whether you're planning your week, managing appointments, or just staying organized, this guide will make navigating your calendar effortless. First, open your web browser and go to the Outlook login page by visiting the Microsoft 365 Outlook website. Click on Sign In and enter your username and password. Once logged in, you'll be directed to your Outlook Mail page. If you're already signed in, you might land here automatically. Next, locate the options at the top or side of your screen and click on Calendar. This takes you straight to your Outlook calendar where you can see your schedule at a glance. By default, it may show the current week or month, depending on your previous settings. Now, let's make it work for you. Click on the View option at the top of your calendar screen. Here, you can switch between day, week, or month views. Choose whichever suits your planning style best to further customize your calendar. Head to the calendar settings. From here, you can adjust time zones, set working hours, pick calendar colors, and more. Going back to View lets you confirm your changes and ensures your calendar looks exactly how you want. Finally, take a moment to personalize your calendar even more. Add or remove layers. Adjust the timescale or overlay another calendar to see everything in one place. A well-customized view can make staying organized faster, easier, and far more productive, and that's it. With just a few clicks, you can navigate and manage your Outlook calendar efficiently, keeping your appointments and schedules under control. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your newly optimized Outlook calendar.